Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Izaz Gheta. If you have not subscribed, then kindly subscribe the channel and even kindly share the video. Today we will discuss an important question on arithmetic progression. The question is, if mth term of AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m, we have to find the mth value. Let us start. Solution. Mth term, so you know the formula mth term. This is am is equal to a plus m minus 1 of d, as here m is given. Okay, and they said that nth term is 1 by n, so here we will write 1 by n is equal to a plus m minus 1 into t. Equation 1. Now nth term, so an is equal to a plus n minus 1 of t. They said that nth term is 1 by m. 1 by m is equal to a plus n minus 1 of t. Equation 2. Okay. Now we will subtract equation 1 with equation 2. Subtracting. Once again. Yeah. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. So 1 by n equals to a plus m minus 1 of d, and 1 by m a plus n minus 1 of t. As we are subtracting, so change the sign, and this is here. Okay, so first thing which we get, 1 by n minus 1 by m, this get cancelled, is equal to, we'll get here d common, so we will write here m minus 1 minus n plus 1. Hope you understood. So we have subtracted this. I will show you here, m minus 1 of d and minus n minus 1 of t. Then we have taken d common, m minus 1 minus n, minus into minus plus, this is d common. Hope you understood, right? Okay. Now we will cancel this minus and this is plus. And here we are going to take an LCM. So if I take here LCM, mn, here with m and here n, so we'll get m minus n is equal to m minus n of t. Okay. So this m minus n cancel. You will get d is equal to 1 by mn. Okay, now we have to find out a value. Okay, let's do it. So from 1 we will take, from 1. Let me just scroll down. Okay, the equation 1 is, we have 1 by n equals to a plus m minus 1 of t. So here we have 1 by n is equal to a plus m minus 1, and the d value which we have got, 1 by mn. Now what we will do, 1 by n a plus, you multiply m into 1 m, so m cancel, will get 1 by n minus 1 by mn. Hope you understood. This 1 by n get to cancel. And now you just transpose 1 by mn minus 1 by mn. If it is transposed, we will get here, if it is transposed, we'll get a is equal to also 1 by mn. Okay, now we have to find out mn12, amn. So amn is equal to a plus m plus n, right? What we should find out? amn, yeah. So mn minus 1 of d. So amn is equal to a is 1 by mn plus mn minus 1. D is 1 by mn. So we have here 1 by mn plus, if you multiply this, then you will get mn by mn minus 1 by mn, and this 1 by mn and 1 by mn will get cancelled. Here mn will get cancelled, so you will get a mn is equal to 1. Hope you understood. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, kindly just comment it. We will come with a solution of that. Thank you so much.